Cheap available energy is the motor for development and prosperity. But in times when climate change becomes a substantial threat to our world, carbon-neutral technologies are much needed to replace the continuous burning of fossil fuels. The industrial sector is responsible for almost 20% of global CO2 emissions, and there is more heat consumption in the industry than there is electricity consumption worldwide. So far, no cost-competitive renewable solution exists that can provide industrial process heat around the clock. Especially energy-intensive industries like steel, cement or the chemical industry, which need temperatures well above 600 degrees, are intensely looking for new sustainable ways to generate the energy they need. We at HelioHeat offer a solution for exactly just that. With our technology, it is possible to continuously generate renewable process heat up to 1000 degrees C in a cost-effective way. We are the first company worldwide who started to commercialize a solar receiver based on the solid particle technology for concentrating solar power plants. Our key technology is a so-called centrifugal particle receiver that has been originally developed at the DLR, the German Aerospace Center. Our patented technology uses small ceramic particles as absorber and storage medium at the same time. Movable mirrors named heliostats reflect and concentrate sunlight to the top of a tower directly into the particle receiver, where ceramic particles are heated up to 1000 degrees C. The heated particles can be easily stored in insulated tanks. Depending on the application, hot particles are let through in heat exchanger, where either steam for a steam power cycle or hot gas for industrial process heat is produced. Cooled particles are collected in the cold storage, from where they are transported up to the tower and get heated again. In times when not enough direct radiation for CSP is available, an electric particle heater is used to heat up the particles with PV or wind electricity. On cloudy and windless days, however, a simple burner for renewable fuel like biogas or renewable hydrogen is used to heat up the particles in order to ensure the continuous supply of renewable energy.
Our system generates heat and electricity around the clock, as flexible and secure as fossil fuel plants, but without the CO2 emissions. And in regions with high fossil fuel costs, our system is already cost competitive today.
In 2017, we successfully demonstrated a receiver prototype at the test platform of the DLR solar tower in Jülich. A peak particle outlet temperature of 965 degrees C was achieved with a total solar test time of more than 60 hours. In 2019, we successfully applied for funding for a first demonstration project of the entire solid particle CSP system. The HyFlex project is co-funded with €13.5 million by the European Commission. Together with 10 other partners from 7 countries, we will develop, build and test the worldwide first pre-commercial solid particle CSP plant at the pasta plant of Barilla in southern Italy. Barilla, world-leading pasta manufacturer, will use the renewable thermal energy for its pasta production in order to reduce its consumption of fossil fuels. Our market, the industrial process heat market, is gigantic. It has a market volume of over $500 billion per year, and the industrial sector is still growing.
With our technology, it is possible to reduce the import of energy, allowing a self-sustaining energy supply. The particles we use are non-toxic and harmless for the environment. The entire power plant consists of non-hazardous, well-available materials like steel, concrete and bauxite. Our technology does not compete with food production, and it is already cost competitive for applications with high energy costs. Finally, our technology has great potential to significantly reduce CO2 emissions while ensuring a secure and flexible energy supply.